Hey guys, Nick Marday from Mark Supply Company. Today I have for you a 2018 John Deere 333G rubber track skid steer loader. So many of you guys know this is the big daddy of the rubber track skid loaders in a John Deere. They have released the 335P. I haven't seen one yet. This machine is 2,336 hours. It is a standard flow. That'll be the million-dollar question every guy's going to call and ask. No, it's not a high flow. And unless you're going to go buy a $10,000 cooler kit to put on one of these, no, you're not going to run a mulching head. That's my opinion. Whatever. Cab heat air, joystick, power attach, AM/FM radio. Does have a backup camera in it. Does have 18-inch wide tracks on it. Guys, this is a good running, working machine. I bought it. It had 2,305 hours on it. We put about 30 hours on it here. We stripped some dirt with it. I run my grapple on it up here this winter. I've owned it since February. Up here we cleaned up a bunch of scrap steel, and I had a grapple bucket on it. The machine runs and works great. Amazing power, which there again the 333 does. Very, very good running, working machine. It is all original paint. We painted the bucket. All the glasses in the cab, the air works, the AM/FM radio works. We did do a full service on it. We changed all the filters and oils, all factory John Deere stuff. We did do the hub oils. Very good running, working machine. It's not brand new. It's going to have some scratches, some scrapes. But there again, this machine today is like $113,000 from John Deere. Unbelievable what a new one of these is. Does have block heater on it. Does have a heavy duty grill guard here in the back, which we'll show you that in a second. We're going to walk you around here and show you all about it. Kind of run it for you, show you everything it does it's supposed to. This machine has this big heavy bumper put on the back. You can see how heavy this is. It bolts in place of the counterweights, and it gives you this big bumper, which you can see how nice it's kept the back of this machine. The back a little bit there, you can see. Very straight in the back. In the engine bay, everything there is very, very clean, very, very nice. Again, we did do a full service on this thing. All the filters and oils have been changed. Everything is straight. There's no oil leaks on it we found anywhere. Again, we did call the serial number in. It is a 2018. Sheet metal is all straight on the hood. Hold that, Braden. One thing I can say right here, this has to be pushed in like that to latch properly. Auto reversing fan in the rear. You can see the backs here. This isn't busted or welded anywhere. The boom is nice and straight. Tracks. I left the tracks on it. They're on it. They're zigzag tracks. There's still some running in them. They're probably 50 to 60%. There's some cracks in them, but we did leave them on there. They're still very good tracks, and they will run somebody a long time yet. So, has a 84-inch John Deere Worksite Pro long bottom smooth edge bucket with a bolt-on cutting edge. It is in good condition. OEM to the machine. It is the original bucket from the machine. Now, up here you're going to have your power quick attach. The electric actuator in here was going bad. I ordered a new one of them from John Deere. It was $1,000. Put it in. It's fixed. None of the cylinders are leaking. Now, one thing very common on these Deeres, focus, there we go, these pockets. John Deere, my dealer, stocks them on the shelf for $200 a piece. That is a common thing on the John Deere. We did put new pins and bushings in the quick attach, and we did end up sending this over to the machine shop and had them put the brand new repair collars on the bottom of the boom. This will probably be the fourth one I've done. It's something that's very common. A lot of guys don't do it, and then you have to do it. I did it. It's done and taken care of. Standard 1/2-inch couplers up here with K-strain, 14-pin and 3-pin John Deere. Door is all complete. Does have the side corner lights on it. Does have the air ride seat in it. ISO or H pattern control selectable. We did put new cabin filters in this machine. The AC is good and ice cold. I'll fire it up here. Park brake, and you can choose here foot throttle, or you can shut the foot throttle off and go to a hand throttle, and you can use this as like a D-cell pedal. Take it back, ISO or H pattern. Sensitivities you can set. Up here you got your fan, you got your auxiliary for your 3-pin, headlights, you got your power quick attach, you got your air conditioning control. Up here, you're gonna have your menu. You can go back through here. Temperatures, volts. Right there's gonna be your hours. AM, FM radio. Go ahead and shut that off. I don't own the rights to any of the music. Backup camera. They kept a chart in this machine, a service work. So here's some service work. They kept records, which was nice. All the glass again's in the cab. This is a 2-speed machine, which I'll show you here. 2-speed, and then right here, John Deere has a switch. I can kick you into snail mode. I can run this up and down right here off this little joystick. I'm gonna turn the camera back over here to Braden. We're gonna run this thing around. We're gonna show you what everything it's supposed to do. Here we go, guys. website, www.marksupplyco.com. You can see everything we have to offer. There again, not a brand new machine, guys. They're a new one's $113,000. I have a friend that just actually bought one. They're a lot of money, but they're a lot of machine. Here's a good used machine, and I feel we're pricing this machine very reasonable compared to some of the stuff in the market. So if you're looking for a big track loader, here's something to take a look at. Again, 814-658-3066. Please check out our website, www.marksupplyco.com. As always, thank you very much for checking out Mark Supply Company.